Listen carefully, because the moment you start this video, something strange begins to happen. You stop seeing cars the way you used to. You stop falling for advertisements, shiny showrooms, and loud claims. Instead, you start noticing the truth, patterns, details, and hidden qualities that only the smartest buyers ever realize. And once you see it, you can never unsee it again. Because today, you're about to discover something most people never learn until they've wasted thousands of dollars. Not all new cars are created equal. Some are overhyped. Some are secretly unreliable. And then, there are a rare few vehicles, so well built, so intelligently engineered, so shockingly balanced, that they reach near perfection. Cars that don't just drive well, they feel like they were designed for the future. And here's the crazy part. These aren't internet opinions. These aren't marketing claims. These rankings come from Consumer Reports, the most brutally honest, data-driven, no-nonsense testing organization in the automotive world. When they call a car almost perfect, it actually means something. So before you spend another minute dreaming about your next car, before you let your mind settle on a brand or a model, let me show you the 6 almost perfect cars of 2025, ranked, tested, and verified. Prepare yourself, because after this list, your entire idea of the perfect car might completely change. 1. Toyota Camry 2025, the reliability benchmark. The 2025 Camry continues its legacy as the most predictable, stable, and low-maintenance sedan on the market. Consumer Reports praises its bulletproof hybrid system, excellent fuel economy, and flawless ride comfort. This is the car people buy when they're done taking risks, because it simply does not fail. 2. Subaru Forester 2025, the safe, smart, everyday SUV. The new Forester is the definition of consistency. It scores high in safety, visibility, and real-world usability. The balanced suspension, responsive AWD, and practical cabin make it almost impossible to dislike. It's not flashy, but that's exactly why owners stay loyal for decades. 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid 2025, the efficient all-rounder. Consumer Reports ranks the CR-V Hybrid as one of the most well-rounded SUVs of 2025. It's efficient, quiet, smooth, and surprisingly premium on the inside. The hybrid system delivers strong acceleration without sacrificing economy, making it the no-regret choice in the compact SUV segment. 4. Lexus ES 2025, luxury without the drama. The Lexus ES is the car you buy when you want luxury that lasts longer than hype. Consumer Reports praises its silence, comfort, and unmatched reliability for a luxury sedan. No complicated tech that breaks, no aggressive design, just a refined, effortless driving experience that feels expensive every day. 5. Mazda CX-50 2025, the driver's SUV. The CX-50 stands out as the best-looking and best-driving SUV in its class. Consumer Reports highlights its premium cabin, sharp handling, and confident road feel. It has the soul of a sporty car wrapped in the practicality of an SUV, perfect for someone who wants excitement without sacrificing comfort. 6. Kia Telluride 2025, the family king. Still dominating the 3-row SUV class, the 2025 Telluride is the closest thing to perfection for families. It offers a luxury-level interior, powerful V6 performance, and incredible value. Consumer Reports gives high marks for comfort, reliability improvements, and unbeatable practicality. So now you've seen the 6 almost perfect cars of 2025, ranked using real data, not hype. But here's the fun part. Every car owner thinks their pick is the smartest one. So tell me honestly, which one would you choose? And more importantly, why? Your answer might actually start a debate in the comments, and I want to see who can defend their car the strongest. And before you go, I'm giving you a tiny challenge. This channel is on a mission, 500 subscribers. If you learned something new today, if this list made you rethink your next car even a little bit, prove it. Hit that subscribe button so you and I can keep exploring the smartest choices in the automotive world together. I'll be reading the comments, I'll be replying. So go on, drop your pick below, subscribe if you dare, and I'll see you in the next one.